Hey, what's up guys? So Black Friday is almost here, and we've already got a bunch of early Black Friday deals that are now available for different radar detectors and different dash cams that I'm going to go ahead and share with you. Plus, there's going to be a bunch more deals that are going to be starting next week, and I'll go ahead and share many of those with you now. Plus, I've also got a special Black Friday giveaway going on for an Escort Redline 360C and the M1 dash cam. Now, over on my website, I'm going to be compiling all of the different discounts that are available, especially as things continue to change and new deals show up. The link for that is going to be down in the video description, so that's where you can go to check out all the discounts that we're going to be talking about here. Now, diving right into them, starting off with the Uniden detectors, I'm already seeing some discounts available for both the Uniden R7 and the R3. The discount amount is fluctuating a little bit every day, but you can go ahead and take a look and see if it's got a nice price for you now. Additionally, Escort's got some discounts available on the Max 360C, the Max 3, and the X80, as well as the bundle for their Max 360C and their M1. These are some of the early Black Friday deals, and I am expecting some new stuff come next week once we get to Black Friday, but we've got some early Black Friday deals available for those now. And then, of course, as all of the additional sales and discounts start popping up, I'll just go ahead and keep my website updated for you guys so that you can find all the latest information there. And then taking a look at dash cams, let's first start with the Blackview dash cams. Starting November 23rd, all the Blackview dash cams are going to be available for 10% off up to $50 off. And that's going to be good for Blackview's entry-level dash cams as well as their flagships like the DR900X 2-channel or the DR750 2-channel LTE. Plus, if you use the coupon code Vortex20, that'll save you an additional 5% off these Black Friday prices too. Then taking a look at Thinkware dash cams, there's a bunch of discounts for them too. There's already an early Black Friday discount for $100 off the Thinkware X700. Plus, starting next week on the 22nd, we're going to be getting anywhere from $50 to $150 off a variety of different Thinkware dash cams. And then taking a look at the Vofos, which tend to be some of the best bangs for the buck, the VFO A129 Pro is available on sale on Amazon for $40 off. Plus, over at Black Box My Car, they're doing free hardwire kits for their different VFO dash cams. Plus, again, if you use that same coupon code Vortex20, that'll also save you 5% off any of the dash cams that I have listed here on my site. This is true for all of these single-channel dash cams that record just up front, as well as the dual-channel ones that record both front and rear. Plus, come Black Friday, I'm expecting even more discounts available on those as well. And then in addition to all the radar detectors and dash cams, I'm also seeing some really nice discounts on other stuff that I like too. Everything from different headphones to different robotic vacuum cleaners or security cameras for your house or even face masks because it's 2020. And then finally, as a bonus, for those of you who'd like to get stuff completely free, I've also got a giveaway going now for a brand new Escort Redline 360C and the M1 dash cam. The Redline 360C, as you guys know, it's one of my favorite radar detectors. It's my daily driver. Great performance, arrows, good BSM filtering, auto lockouts, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff built into one detector. Plus, it's also going to come with the M1, which is a 1080p dash cam that attaches here to the side of the radar detector. So you got your radar detector and dash cam all in one combo unit here. Now, to enter for the giveaway, you can head on over to my website, and the giveaway will be down at the very bottom of the page. And if you'd like to increase your odds of winning, there's multiple different ways of entering, and you can enter in as many ways as you want. And so to enter the giveaway or check out any of the Black Friday deals that we've talked about here, or to continue checking up as I continue posting new deals here over time, head on down to the link in the video description, and all the information will be posted there. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video.